15, and it's time for In the Know. Now, there comes a time in everyone's life where things can get a little difficult, especially if the courts are needed, which can come with a lot of questions for those unfamiliar with the legal system. But thanks to the partnership of Speak Out Illinois and Pekin Public Library, lawyers will soon be at your disposal to help you navigate some of those legal challenges or answer any questions you may have. Jacob Partee, Sean Cusack, and John Gerardo are here to tell us how you can tap into these resources. Good morning, gentlemen, and thanks for joining us.
Yes, good morning.
Thanks for having us.
We have a packed house. I don't think it's ever been this many people behind the desk, so I'm glad you all can make it.
Yes.
So tell us about this Lawyers in the Library event, Jacob.
Yes, so we created this event just so people can have access to the legal system. Just throughout our work and working with the community, we have realized that there are a lot of people that just don't get the help, regardless if, there's other agencies that are lacking staff or, they're just overcrowded. So by creating this program, we feel helps with that. Also by providing that access, it allows those individuals that may have not known about the programs, such as Prairie State, Pilley, or even Land of Lincoln Legal Aid, to come out and still get that advice.
And so you guys took it upon yourselves to reach out to these two great gentlemen, and you guys work in two different areas of the law, right?
That's correct.
So which area are you in?
I'm in criminal law.
And I do personal injury and work comp.
So why did you guys feel like it was important for you to take part in this opportunity and help members of the community who may need that extra guidance when it comes to the legal system?
Well, go ahead. I think it's important. I think the general public may have the idea that we're not always readily accessible, and they want answers as quickly as we can get them to them. And so it's kind of a good opportunity for us to sit down and talk with people for a little bit to see what we got, if they've got a case or not, or if we can help them.
Yeah, so basically they're just going to show up, they're going to talk to you guys, and you're going to tell them if they have a case or not, right? So let's say someone does have a case. What are the next steps? Will you represent them? Will you direct them to more help? Or what happens if you say, yes, you have a case?
That's the beauty of the consulting model. It could be one of many things that could happen. We may decide that they can get out of the situation without actually having to retain an attorney to represent them, which can save them time and money, or it may be a situation that we could handle, or we may know the proper attorney or the better attorney that may be able to handle that issue for them.
So out of your two respective areas of expertise, what type of cases do you see the most?
I see a lot of driving under the influence and just minor traffic violations. People don't realize that with traffic court, anybody from, everyday Joe to your mayor can receive a traffic ticket. So it's a very high volume courtroom.
And what about you?
Personal injury, it's a pretty wide area of the law. We deal a lot with car accident, people who are injured, car accidents, premises liability, medical negligence, trucking cases, stuff like that. And then workers' comp is pretty self-explanatory. If you're hurt at work, we make sure you get what you need to get better and get back to work.
And my last question, because we're running out of time, is for you, Jacob. Why is it important for members of the community to take advantage of these resources, especially when they may feel like they don't have that everyday access?
Well, for one, it's free.
Right?
and two, just to have that knowledge, for future instances, and also to help save your case, when you are retaining an attorney, you can get the guideful steps to look for the right one, and or also have that prior knowledge, so it helps save the money in the long run.
So when and where is this free event happening? What information is on your screen, but I'm sure our viewers will love to hear it from you.
Yes. So this event is going to be at the Pekin Public Library in the second floor community room, located at 301 South 4th Street in Pekin, this Friday from 9 to noon, June 14th. And you just need to come in with questions ready in hand, and we'll get you with one of the attorneys.
Absolutely. This is definitely something you want to take advantage of. If you may have a few legal questions and just need that extra guidance from someone who is in the industry. But if you or someone you know would like to join us on In the Know, just head to our website and submit the form. And be sure to stick with us, because we'll be back in a few short minutes.